Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 4.10, and my dear student, this is very good question. Clear? Mark it important, or we can say actually this question contains some concept. Clear? A very simple concept it contains, but again a different type of question you will see. So definitely this is a good question. So now we are going to discuss this question. On an open ground, a motorist follows a track that turns to his left by an angle of 60 degree. This is angle 60 degree. Clear? After every 500 meter, starting from a given turn, specify displacement of motorist at the third, sixth and eighth turn. Compare the magnitude. Clear? So first concentrate on the screen. Let us try to find concept. Clear? Just concentrate and you will get each and every concept very clearly. Listen carefully. Just listen carefully. Do not, we can say, do not note down this time. Just concentrate on a screen, and you have a sufficient time. You can easily note down. So let's suppose, just a minute. Yes. Let's suppose I am taking initial position of this motorcyclist. Let's suppose this is position A. Clear? In this question, it is given it follows a track such that it turns his left by an angle of 60 degree after every 500 meter. So let's suppose from A to B, this is C, D, E, and let's suppose here we have F. Clear? So A to B total distance, let's suppose covered is 500 meter, and after 500 meter this person is taking a turn by 60 degree. So we can say this angle is here 60 degree. Clear to you? Again, after taking a 500 meter turn, so I am assuming here all the sides are having same length. So again, after this one, he is taking 60 degree turn. Clear? At D again, he is taking 60 degree turn to his left. Clear? This is also 60 degree. We can say this is also 60 degree. This one is also 60 degree to the left. This is again we have 60 degree, and we can say this is also 60 degree. Clear to everyone? Now listen carefully. Starting its journey from A, so we can say this is first turn, this one is second turn, this one we have third turn, this one we have third turn. Clear? Then we can say at E we have fourth number turn. This is fourth turn. We can say here we have fifth turn. Clear? This one we have 6. Here we have 7, and here we have 8. Now you can say up till at what point we have to write, because in this question it is given to you at the third, sixth and eighth turn. Clear? So I am writing here up to 8th. Clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes. So now concentrate on a screen. Now, actually we have to find displacement of this person at the third, sixth and eighth turn. So first if we talk about third, second. Now we can say this is starting point, first, second and this one is third. So if I join, I can join it like this. Just a minute. Just a minute. Let's suppose like this. Clear? So actually here motorcyclist taking a third turn. Clear to you? Now our objective here is to calculate displacement as well as distance covered. Clear? So first I am talking about third turn. Clear? And in third turn this motorcyclist taking we can say displacement. Clear? So if we talk about displacement, how can we write? Displacement is actually minimum distance between final position and initial position. Yes or no? So final position we have at D and the initial position we have at A. So now we have to find this straight line distance between A and D. Clear? Yes. Now we can say, we can draw here a perpendicular from point B and point C. Clear to you? Yes. So now let us try to understand. This angle is what? 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. Clear? Now we can say this angle is also 60 degree. Yes or no? How you can say? Because here we have an Z, clear? So whenever we have Z, we can say this angle 60, so this is 30 and this angle is also 30. Listen carefully what I am saying to you. We can say this angle is 90, so this AB is hypotenuse, yes. So now let's suppose I am saying, let's suppose this is A, let's suppose this is A dash, let's suppose this is A double dash. I am saying this A double dash. Clear to everyone? Yes. So now if I write displacement, I can write like this: A dash plus A dash, A double dash plus A double dash and D. Yes or no? Yes. Now we can say this is 500, this angle is 30, so this one is what? 500 cos 30. So A dash I can write this is 500 sin 30. Clear to you? Plus A dash A double dash. Now we can say A dash A double dash is parallel to BC. Clear? So I can say this is equal to 500 meter plus what is value of A double dash D. Now we can say this angle we have 90, this is 500 meter, again this is 60, this is 30, yes or no? So we can say 500, this is cos 30, this one is sin 30, again I can write 500 sin 30. A small geometry portion we have, but I think you are getting my point what I want to say. So this is equal to 500 multiply 1 by 2 plus this is 500 plus 500 multiply 1 by 2. Clear to everyone? So we can write like this. This one is 250 plus 500 plus 250. Clear? So 250 plus 250, we can say 500, 500 plus 500, we can say this is 1000 meter, or we can say this is 1 kilometer. Clear? It means this displacement value we are getting 1 kilometer. But what is actual distance covered? What is actual distance covered when we are talking about third turn? Clear? So we can say distance covered, if we want to find, definitely we can say from A to B, B to C and C to D. So we can say 500, 500, 500, total 1500 meter. So we can say this is 1.5 kilometer. Clear? So for the third turn we find here displacement and distance covered. Clear to everyone? Yes or no? Now we are going to discuss for the sixth turn. So where we have sixth turn, starting from here again we are getting at this point and we are getting here sixth turn. Yes or no? So now concentrate. Yes, now concentrate. Give me just a minute. I am doing like this because I need this diagram for the next two parts. Clear? Yes. Now dear student, we are going to discuss its part number second. What is the displacement of motorist after sixth turn? Clear? So now we are going to discuss second situation, that is sixth turn. Now you can see, let's suppose this motorist or this person starting its journey from A. So we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means at sixth turn it is again its initial position. So we can say displacement of this person, or we can say motorist, this is given by 0 meter. Clear to everyone? Yes. But if we talk about total distance covered, so distance, if we here calculate total distance, so total distance is what? From A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F and again E to A. Clear? So we can say 500, 500, 500, this one, this one, this one. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say total distance covered here 6 into 500 meter. So this is equal to 3000 meter. Clear? So from here we can say this is equal to thrice of kilometer. Clear? So this is equal to 3 kilometer. Clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes. So now we can say, if we discuss about what is the distance and the displacement of this motorist in 8th turn. So concentrate on the screen. So if we discuss about distance and displacement and 8th turn, so 8th turn. Now you can see from this diagram, at 6th turn this motorist is at A, so 7th and 8th. It means at the 8th turn this we will find this person on this motorist is at 6. Clear? I mean at C point. Clear to you? So now our objective here, first calculate displacement. So let's suppose if I join this A and C. So now we can say this black line indicate displacement in the 8th second, yes, or we can say in the 8th turn, yes. So now if I drop here a perpendicular like this, clear? Now we can say this angle we have 60, this angle is also 60 degree, clear? Now we can say this is what, 500. So we can say this is 500 cos 60, this is 500 sin 60. So let's suppose if I am saying, let's suppose this is let's suppose this is H, clear? So we can say total displacement we can say total displacement, and this is given by AH plus HC, AH plus HC, clear? So value of AH we can say 500 sin 60. So this is equal to 500 sin 60 plus value of HC. Value of HC again we have, this is also 500. So we can say this is 500 cos 60 and we can say this is 500 sin 60. Yes or no? Yes. So we can say this is also 500 sin 60. Clear to everyone? So value of sin 60 we have root 3 by 2 and here we have two same term. So we can write like this, 2 into 500 into under root of 3 by 2. Clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes. So from here we can say this one and this one cancelled out and 500 multiply 1.73. Yes or no? So from here you can say if we remove this decimal, this one and this one cancelled out. Clear? So we can say this is 15, we have 1, 36, we have 3 and this is 865 or we can say 866 meter. Clear? So now we can say displacement of a motorist after 8th turn we are getting almost 865 meter. But what about total distance covered? Clear? So now if we calculate total distance covered in 8th turn. So if we talk about total distance covered, we can say A to A we have total 6 turn. Clear? This is 7th and this is 8th. So we can write like this, this is equal to 8 multiply 500. Yes or no? Because from A to B we have total distance 500. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So directly we can say this is equal to 4000 meter. Clear? And this is equal to 4 kilometer. So clear to everyone? Clear? So like this you can calculate all the three situations and you can easily calculate value of distance and displacement. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.